The history of coffee in Ethiopia is fascinating. Legend has it that coffee was discovered by an Ethiopian goat herder named Kaldi in the 9th century. According to the story, Kaldi noticed that his goats became unusually energetic after eating the red berries from a certain tree. Curious about the effects, Kaldi tried the berries himself and experienced a newfound sense of alertness. This discovery eventually led to the cultivation of coffee plants in Ethiopia. The practice of brewing coffee became ingrained in Ethiopian culture, with coffee ceremonies playing a significant role in social gatherings. The traditional Ethiopian coffee ceremony involves roasting green coffee beans, grinding them, and then brewing the coffee in a special pot called a Jebena. The Jebena is a distinctive coffee kettle with a wide base, a narrow neck, and a spout for pouring. It is typically made from clay and often adorned with intricate designs. The brewing process involves boiling water, adding coffee grounds, and allowing the mixture to steep. The result is a strong and flavorful coffee that is central to Ethiopian hospitality. The use of coffee kettles, particularly the Jebena, is symbolic in Ethiopian culture. The ceremony is not just about consuming a caffeinated beverage, it is a social ritual that brings people together. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air, and the process is accompanied by conversation and connection. Ethiopian coffee traditions have spread globally, influencing coffee cultures around the world. The unique brewing methods and the communal aspect of coffee ceremonies have left a lasting impact on how people perceive and enjoy coffee. The Jebena, with its cultural and historical significance, remains an essential part of Ethiopia's rich coffee heritage.